Okay, let's get started to make our cold porcelain. This is what you need. You need a weight and this aluminum bowl, and the recipe is made of rice flour, okay, and white glue. It's called white glue, and also shortening, which is vegetable fat. And now we need exactly 200 grams of rice flour, okay, 200 grams. Then we need 236 ml of white glue. So now I remove this. Try to push everything. Okay, now I will cut my bottle so I'm sure to remove everything. Okay, now I will hit it with a spoon. Here. Okay, that's all. Now we start to mixing everything. Folding movements. When you see that the glue is completely mixed, you don't see the liquid, so it's like start mixing with the flour. Then you can add the last ingredient, which is my secret ingredient. So the last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of shortening, okay? I will take everything, and also I will use in my hands a little bit because I need to clean the spoon, and now I will use my hands to knead it. Okay, now in the bowl we knead until we get a compact dough. part you can do it also with a scraper. The first time I did it using the scraper, not my hands, but at the end it's the same. I prefer to feel with my hands the consistency, and as you see I am now trying to make one, compacting everything. Okay. I will put in my hands a little bit of shortening. Okay. As you see, my dough is already formed. So it's very easy and fast to do it. I am using only the bowl. By hands, all my table is not messy. But now I will transfer to the table. Okay. The advantage that the shortening gives to your cold porcelain is the flexibility. You see, very easy to work, and that's all. So far we have complete the porcelain. I will just wash my hands, okay, so you can see now my hands are clean. As you see, a part of this part that I started working in the beginning with this area, but now hands clean. You can leave your fingerprints there, and the color that you get with this recipe is not white. If you compare the color here, this is white and this is a little bit not dark and not clear as a white, pure white, but you can paint it this using acrylic paintings, or also you can use pastels, or in my case I will show you in the next video how to color your cold porcelain and which product you can use to color. Okay, so for now that's all. See how beautiful it is. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.